I know it's a helicopter. It's a government. It's a government helicopter flying directly over Fenton, Missouri. It's a military helicopter spying on me and spying on the American people. I'm in my boxers. I'm okay. I'm wearing boxers. I'm fine. This is Justin Eugene Scholl's birthday's 10/12/84. Social Security is 489900698, and I just woke up about 45 minutes ago. And that's another military helicopter flying over the area of Fenton, Missouri, Little Fenton, Missouri, at a low altitude at a slow cruising speed. Most likely spying on me and also spying on the American people.